Hello and welcome back. Here we are with the last video on the chakra series, and this is about the crown. The seventh energy center or crown chakra is about our connection to the divine, the universe, God if you may, or source, our spirituality, growth, and consciousness. The sacred geometry element is the sphere, representing the element of ether, and the color energy is violet. The crown chakra is the point of entry for source energy that will travel through all your chakras, all the way through the root. As we move into the higher chakras, just like when we talk about the third eye, be mindful of the time spent in that space exploring your psychic abilities so you don't lose balance or detach from your physicality. The imbalances of this chakra, like those of the third eye, are sort of skewed to the less physical. So let's look at them. Underactive or blocked chakra symptoms: headaches or migraines, brain fog, lack of concentration, disorders in the pituitary and pineal gland, like in the third eye. The overactive for this chakra also goes beyond the physical manifestation, but a little bit of physical too, with the sensitivity to light and sound. Then disconnected from or hard to relate to others, irritability with the day-to-day activities or the mundane. The prescription for this is crystals and practices that will keep you centered and grounded, like doing more physical activity and spend time in nature. For the blocked chakra, this is when we start using high vibration crystals. So I advise to pay attention to shifts in your overall energy or energy surges that leave you feeling dizzy or lightheaded. These crystals also bring the energy of the violet flame. So here they are. The classic Amethyst. Yes, it's all over the other videos for a good reason. It's a master crystal, master healer, helps with issues of addictive behavior, your immune system, etc. But when it comes to the chakra crown, it promotes a state of calm, peace, help you manage fears, anger, anxiety, and opens you to listen to your intuition. Amethyst doesn't have to be the rich purple color to heal. The color range goes from the deep purples to light to red banded, like the Citrine Amethyst, lilac, lavender, the powerful Veracruz Amethyst, pink, and we also have black amethyst. This one, though dark in color, it has the same properties as the purple amethyst, plus grounding and protection. That's very important when experimenting with psychic abilities. The next one is a beautiful blend of amethyst and citrine ametrine. Be courageous and be bold. This crystal connects the energies of the higher chakras to the solar plexus. It brings inspiration and the confidence and trust to act in accordance with divine guidance. RELIANCE 23. The number is the amount of other minerals combined with the chevron amethyst, the banded one that I just mentioned. This one is a 27. It opens connection to the divine guidance and angelic realms, increases psychic sensitivity, and promotes lucid dreaming. If you are exploring past lives with this crystal, it also helps you release old patterns. Sugilite is one of the crystals that also brings the violet ray healing. It's also considered a crystal of deep loving relationships, spiritual healing and growth, and wisdom. If you were wondering about psychic abilities, try automatic writing when carrying Sugilite. Purple Fluorite, to clear your higher chakras so that source energy comes in and flows easily. Lepidolite, it has a calming energy to those experiencing anxiety and stress. It promotes emotional healing and brings synchronicities a state of flow and connection to your higher self. It also helps to quiet your mind and settle scattered energy. There are many more out there. By all means, go explore and shop smart as you get into rare or exotic crystals. Don't forget, you can also work with white crystals for the crown chakra, like clear quartz, selenite, and apophyllite. Now, how to use the crystals. I have mentioned before to use them in meditation, carry them with you either in a medicine bag or jewelry, or combine them in a crystal grid. You can also place them in your sacred space. Let that be in a grid or a specific shape or carving. There are amazing lepidolite, fluorite, and amethyst spheres out there. When it comes to crystals that stimulate the higher chakras, here we go again. If you're using them for activating the throat, third eye, or crown, always remember to be centered and grounded so you don't fall into the overactive state and become disconnected from your physicality and surroundings. I mentioned this in the last video. So this is it for the chakra series. Let me know how you like them. Don't forget to check all the videos in the links below and our crystal classes. Also below are the links, the affiliate links for the crystals mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.